Deep within a state-of-the-art research facility, a team of geneticists embarked on a groundbreaking experiment. Their goal was ambitious: to understand the genetic mechanisms behind size and growth in reptiles. Little did they know their work would lead to the creation of Titan, a crocodile of unprecedented proportions. It began with manipulating the DNA of saltwater crocodiles, renowned for their size. The scientists aimed to enhance growth genes, hoping to observe accelerated growth patterns. The experiment was partially successful, but the results far exceeded their expectations. A single hatchling, Titan, exhibited extraordinary growth rates right from birth. He dwarfed his siblings, growing at an alarming pace. His appetite was insatiable, and his strength became a cause for concern. The researchers realized they had created something truly unique, a creature that pushed the boundaries of biological understanding. Titan's existence posed a dilemma. Keeping him in a confined environment was no longer feasible, both for his well-being and the safety of the researchers. A decision was made to relocate him to a specially designed habitat on a remote island. This marked the beginning of Titan's journey, a spectacle that would capture the world's attention. Titan's growth was nothing short of astonishing. Within a year, he had surpassed the size of any recorded crocodile in history. His leathery hide, a mottled mosaic of dark greens and browns, seemed to stretch taut over his massive frame. His eyes, cold and reptilian, held an ancient wisdom that belied his tender age. His jaws, lined with rows of razor-sharp teeth, could snap shut with bone-crushing force. Every movement he made exuded a primal power that sent shivers down the spines of those who dared to approach. Titan was a sight to behold, a throwback to a prehistoric era when giants roamed the earth. He was a marvel of genetic engineering, a testament to the boundless potential of science. But he was also a stark reminder of the delicate balance of nature. As Titan grew, so did the responsibility of his creators. They had unleashed a force of nature, and it was up to them to ensure his well-being and the safety of the world around him. Moving a creature of Titan's size was no mean feat. It required meticulous planning and a team of the world's leading logistical experts. A specialized container, more akin to a mobile fortress than a truck, was designed and built specifically for him. Reinforced steel bars, thicker than tree trunks, formed the cage. The truck itself was a behemoth, its massive tires dwarfing those of a monster truck. It was a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of our ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. The journey from the research facility to the port was a spectacle in itself. Roads were closed, crowds gathered, and the world watched with bated breath. Every bump in the road, every turn, was met with a collective gasp from the onlookers. Titan, oblivious to the commotion he was causing, remained surprisingly calm throughout the ordeal. He seemed to understand, on some primal level, that he was being moved to a new home. News of Titan's existence and his impending relocation spread like wildfire. People from all corners of the globe flocked to catch a glimpse of the modern-day Leviathan. The highway became a sea of faces, cameras clicked incessantly, and news helicopters buzzed overhead like flies drawn to a honeypot. For many, it was a once-in-a-lifetime event, a chance to witness a creature that seemed to defy the laws of nature. Children gazed in awe, their imaginations running wild with tales of mythical beasts. Adults, their faces etched with a mixture of fear and fascination, couldn't help but feel a sense of wonder. Titan's journey became a global phenomenon, broadcast live on every news channel. Social media platforms were abuzz with hashtags like #TitanTheCroc and #ModernDayDinosaur. He was more than just a scientific marvel. He was a cultural icon, a symbol of the power and mystery of the natural world. Section 5. A scientific marvel unveiling nature's secrets. Titan's existence presented the scientific community with a unique opportunity to study reptilian biology on an unprecedented scale. His blood, scales, and even his waste were invaluable sources of data. Scientists from around the world collaborated, eager to unlock the secrets behind his extraordinary growth and resilience. His genetic makeup was analyzed, his behavior meticulously documented. Every aspect of his life was scrutinized, revealing new insights into the complexities of the natural world. Titan became a living laboratory, a testament to the boundless possibilities of scientific discovery. He was a bridge between the known and the unknown, a key to understanding the evolutionary pathways that have shaped life on Earth. His existence challenged existing theories and opened up new avenues of research, pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge. Section 6. An ecological question: Titan's role in a new world. The introduction of a creature like Titan into a new environment raised a plethora of ecological questions. How would he impact the delicate balance of his new island home? Would he become an apex predator, disrupting the existing food chain? These were questions that weighed heavily on the minds of conservationists and ecologists. Some argued that Titan posed a significant threat to the island's biodiversity. Others believed that he could actually benefit the ecosystem, acting as a keystone species that influenced the populations of other animals. Only time would tell what impact Titan would have on his new surroundings. His presence was a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. It highlighted the importance of responsible genetic research and the need to consider the ecological consequences of our actions. Section 7. Living legacy: Titan's impact on future generations. Titan's story resonated with people from all walks of life. He became a symbol of the awe-inspiring power of nature and the boundless potential of scientific discovery. His existence sparked countless conversations about our relationship with the natural world and the ethical implications of genetic engineering. For many, Titan served as a powerful reminder of the importance of conservation. His story highlighted the interconnectedness of all living things and the need to protect our planet's biodiversity. He became a mascot for environmental awareness, inspiring people to learn more about the natural world and to take action to preserve it for future generations. Section 8. Coexistence: Finding harmony with nature's power. Titan's journey forced humanity to confront its own place in the grand scheme of things. Here was a creature that embodied both the awe-inspiring beauty and the raw, untamed power of the natural world. Could we as a species find a way to coexist with such a creature? Could we learn to respect its power without fearing it? The answer, as with most things in nature, was complex and multifaceted. It required a delicate balance between scientific curiosity, ecological responsibility, and a healthy dose of humility. We had to acknowledge that we were not the sole proprietors of this planet, but rather part of a much larger interconnected web of life. Titan, in his own way, became an ambassador for the natural world, a symbol of the wildness that still existed within us all. Section 9. A Titan's tomorrow: Hope and uncertainty in equal measure. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows across the island, Titan slipped beneath the surface of his lagoon, disappearing into the murky depths. His journey for now had reached its end, but his story, like the ripples he left in his wake, continued to spread outward. What did the future hold for this magnificent creature? Would he thrive in his new environment, becoming a legend whispered about in hushed tones, or would he fade into obscurity, another footnote in the annals of scientific exploration? Only time would tell. One thing was certain: Titan's legacy, much like his colossal frame, would continue to loom large in the human imagination. A potent symbol of our enduring fascination with the natural world and the mysteries it holds.